friends, so we got this shop vac, and the hose was like kinking like pretty much every time right here, and so you try to suck something up and it was just kinking like that. So I was trying to figure out a way to fix that. So we got a Hunt's tomato paste can, a little one, and on the other end you can just kind of pull this out. This just goes in there and you can pull that out. It just takes a little bit of work it back and forth as you pop it out of there. So now I'm going to slide this over that, and this one's a little bit wider on this end, so what I'm going to do is just kind of push this in a little bit like this and kind of fold it a little bit, and that should enable me to get that in over there like that. Now I can push this part back in there just like that. Okay. All right, this should slide down. Where my kink is. And now when that tries to kink, because when it's kinking, this is like going in, and so that's pushing up like that. So now, if I put that there and just kind of lock that in place, let's see if that works or not, all right? So I'm going to show you what it was doing before. So basically, like anywhere you go, see, it was just pinching this right here. We're trying to suck things up, so. Now, if we slide this can part down over that should keep it like that, so it's not doing it. So slide that over there, and should still allow it to rotate and whatnot. All right, so just like that. Pretty simple fix there for that annoying problem. Thanks for watching, my friends. Also, if you wanted to make that fit a little bit more snug, wrap some, I don't know, some kind of tape, painter's tape around there, kind of loosely or whatever, and then you can slide that on there, and that way it's not going to go anywhere at all. So this is actually pretty snug right now, and it's stopping it from bending like that was before. So hope this helps. Thanks for watching, everybody.